Bishop State, and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday in 2 with your host, Robert McWilliams. Today I want to give you 3 free tools for checking plagiarism. You're probably familiar with Turnitin. Many universities and colleges utilize Turnitin. It does have a hefty fee with it. For those who utilize Blackboard, as we once did at Bishop State, you have Safe Assign, which is a built-in tool, but again, it's tied to a price. So if you want to check plagiarism without being within the confines of Canvas, as we also have a tool inside of Canvas that we can check plagiarism, I want to present to you today 3 tools. They are Article Checker, Plagiarismchecker.com, and Dupli Checker. And in essence, you can go to the website, www.articlechecker.com will take you to Article Checker. Of course, plagiarismchecker.com will allow you to go to the plagiarismchecker.com website, and of course, duplichecker.com will allow you to go to that site. So just to give you a quick view of what they look like, of course, Article Checker has changed over the years, but there's resources to, and just in case you sent your students to check their papers before they submit them to you. Some instructors may not like that, but some instructors may. And in essence, you would click on Trial Writing Tool now, and in essence, you would be able to submit your document, and it would check for plagiarism. Now, the latter two I like a little bit more because they're a little more simpler to just get started and check your document. As far as plagiarismchecker.com, in essence, you can just cut and paste your document here, and then do a search, and then it'll check if that paste text is copyrighted, and probably a little bit more advanced but very simple to use is Dupli Checker, which of course you can also paste your text in the box. You can also upload a file, which includes not only the simple text files, but you can also upload PDFs, rich text documents, as well as Word documents, and even open office documents as well. You can also upload a URL or check out a website to see if that site is plagiarized. So in essence, those are 3 tools that you can use to check for plagiarism. So again, this is Robert McWilliams with your Bishop State Tech Tip Tuesday. Thank you for watching.